It's as rough as ever, but look at it go. Well, folks, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this Tyco Mantua Santa Fe F unit. I got this locomotive in that lot I've been telling you guys about, and it's the last one in that lot that needs restoration that I'm going to be able to restore. So let's take a crack at doing it today, starting right now. Alright, we're going to do our usual track test now. If I remember correctly, this thing really doesn't do very much. Okay, I'm giving it 85% power on my RailPower 1300 controller. And, it's not doing anything. So let's take it back over to the desk so we can, something I found with these old Mantuas is that, there's actually a hole right... let me see, do I have a flashlight? Here's one. Right there, there's a little hole, you can probably see it. You can actually stick your screwdriver down in that, and then it goes down to a little screw, so you can actually pull this part off. And there we go. Are you guys seeing this? Let me get some light on this. Look how dirty that is. That's like... I hope that's not rust. That's really bad. Oh gosh. Well, let me see real quick if there's a chance that I can get this off, because we're gonna need to, I think. It's not looking like it. So, yeah. That's gonna be what we got to work with. Actually, before I do that, why don't we even just see if the motor works? Let me get this back on here and I'll... Well, I decided I wouldn't show that part on camera, and I kind of regret it, because the motor actually did start up, so I was actually able to use my fiberglass pencil. I just stuck the fiberglass part out and held it to the wheels and shined the wheels up while I was at it. So, yeah, this whole motor block should be good. I am just going to add some lube in here. You can't actually open these up, because if you try to open them up, then you'll have to drill out the rivets. So, yeah, to just add a little bit of lube, you just kind of want to, right under here, just add a little bit extra. Don't go overkill, just a little bit extra. Just like so. And that should be enough. And there we go. So now we can put this back in here. I'll just put it back in off camera because it's literally the same process as taking them out, just the opposite. So then we'll take the front one out and we'll clean it up, or maybe we'll just clean the wheels. I don't know. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, I got that back truck reinstalled, so now we need to figure out how to get this one working. I think if we... Let me just look here. Yeah, I think if we just try to shine the front wheel up, because it's like not shiny. I think we just kind of rotate it with the fiberglass pencil on it. And with that, I'm confident enough to put this back on the track and test it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Is it gonna do anything? Yeah, I'm giving it power and it's not doing anything. Oh, you guys heard that? They flipped the direction. Let me see if I can just get it going. Come on. Oh, this is a good start. I mean, it wasn't running at all earlier. Come on. I'm gonna cut back when it gets going, okay, guys? Oh, here we go. It's as rough as ever, but look at it go. It's on a roll now. Well, folks, I think I'm going to call it at this. Sorry. It's a little rougher at the lower speeds, but what can you do? It was practically junked, and now look at it. Well, that'll be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you are new to the channel, do the subscribe part. If you like the video, like the video. Keep on model railroading.